In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online. If you need to record a bill payment quickly and accurately, this process is very simple once you know where to find everything. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your QuickBooks Online account without getting lost. To begin, go to the top left corner of your screen and click the plus icon. This is the shortcut menu where QuickBooks groups together common tasks, and it's often the fastest way to create or record a transaction. If you're in the middle of your workflow and want a direct path, this is the easiest place to start. Once the menu opens, select Pay Bills. This will take you to the Bill Payment screen where you can choose which outstanding bills you want to pay. This area is designed to help you manage unpaid vendor bills in an organized way, so you can record payments properly and keep your books up to date. On the Pay Bills screen, start by selecting the payment account. This is the account the money is coming from, such as your checking account or another bank account you use for business expenses. Make sure you choose the correct account because this affects how the payment is recorded in your books and how it appears in your bank activity. Next, choose the payment date. This should reflect the actual date you want the payment to be recorded. Using the right date is important for accurate reporting, especially if you're trying to stay on top of cash flow or close out a specific accounting period correctly. After that, check the boxes for the bills you want to include in this bill payment. As you review the list, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct bills. This helps avoid duplicate payments and keeps your vendor balances accurate. If you're paying multiple bills at once, QuickBooks makes it easy to include them all in a single payment session. When everything looks correct, click Schedule Payment. That completes the process. QuickBooks will record the bill payment based on the details you selected, helping you keep your accounts payable organized and your records current. And that's all there is to it. Once you've done it a couple of times, paying bills in QuickBooks Online becomes a very quick routine task. Just remember to double-check the payment account, the date, and the bills you're selecting before you finalize the payment, and you'll be in great shape.